Hi lovelies! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. So for today's video, I'm going to do my month ahead saving challenge by using a different butterfly saving challenges. If you're new here, I love butterflies and I try to search for different butterfly saving challenges to put on my butterfly binder, and I will do it until I can and until I am happy to do it. So let me count the money that we need to put on my binder. And I have here 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So my goal from now on is to build my other categories in my month ahead binders, which I will show you later on for the reallocation of my finish saving challenges. And I hope you watch that too. So let's me open this. And I have here is 6 different saving challenges. For the group play of butterfly saving challenge, I will not do it today because I want to do it separately with other group plays that I will do on the next few weeks or next few days. Just wait for that. And for now, let's do this saving challenges first. So for the first one is from Rox Budgets. It's a butterfly scratch off saving challenge that I purchased to her. So the total of this amount is $70, you see. So, and this one is from Tiny Budget Co. This is a freebie actually. I just print it and put it in here. So this roll and save. And this one is mine. This one is I shared it in my Ko-Fi, and some other videos I put the link for my Google Drive. But if you want to get these freebies, you can visit my Ko-Fi at Lovely Budgets HK Ko-Fi shop. I'm not selling this. This is a freebie. So if you want to grab this, and it's a set of 3 in 1 A4 paper, so just grab it if you want to, and tag me if you're using it, and I will really appreciate it. This one is my own my own saving challenges as well, and not a lot. It's not. I haven't posted for a freebie yet, but I sent some friends. If I sent some channels that want to have this, like, and I hope they use it and tag me. And you know who you are, and if you enjoy this is a spicy one, just tag me and thank you for using it. And this one is from the Budgeting Butterfly. This is a freebie from her channel. So that's, and then the last one is from Victoria of V Denise Saves. This is a purchase through her Etsy shop. This set of 2, and I will use the other one if I finish it. See, very nice. And recently I purchased this one also from Christy of CW Does Life. This one I will change it into any saving challenges here that I will finish. So just hang on for this one. So let's start. And a ding 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 from Donna Powered by Creativity. Okay. So let's roll the dice. Let the dice decide. So 2, 1, 2. This is a roll the dice, and let's roll this. So 1, and I don't have change. Let's see if I can do it. 1. Let's see here. Oh, I don't have change, so let's grab some top money here. Total of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. So take out 1 then. So this prop money, as you can see, is from D Plans and Budget. Hi, Miss D. And the other one, this is from Christy Budgets. And she's not that active anymore, but I purchased it through her Instagram before. So this one, let's put it in here for the meantime. So grab one. Roll the dice. 2. Oh, again. Roll one more. 2. So 2. Let's get this. 2. Roll the dice. Which one is next? 6. 6 is the last one, which is from Bidini Save. This one is $5 per icon. So just put 5. Let's see how many icon I will put. So 3, so $15. But I don't have change, so $15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $15 here. And color this 3. I'll just take it first. Oh, color 1, 2, 3. Are you still in frame? Oh, yeah. Just put it outside there. Somewhere it's easy access. And let me grab this. Okay, next one. 6. So it's Bidini Save again. How many? So 1 icon, 1 box, so $5. So let's get this 5 and give 10. It's really nice. I love pink. Ah, it's really nice. 1. So this from Rox Budget. Rox Budgets. And let's see which one we need to scratch. 2. Let's count from here. 1, 2. And my scratcher, where is it? Oops, I don't have it here. There. 2. So it's $4. $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. $4. And I have $4 here, and which one? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, my scratcher. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. This is a big one. Spicy one. Let's see. Which one? Which one? So I either save $5 each icon, each butterfly, or I just scratch this off. Let's see. What's my decision? If this is even, I will scratch this off. If this is odd, I will save 1 butterfly icon. Okay? Oh, even. So which one? I just guess. Okay? Oh no. Oh no. Come on. Let's scratch this. Oh, $15. $15. Okay. Spicy, isn't it? $15. Let's get 20. And let's see if there's a change here. Isn't it? Oh, there's no change. What can I do? Let's grab another $5 here. 5 and 5. Pop money and give me this. Okay. So now I got $15. I don't know if I did it right, but next 3. 1, 2. Let's just put it there. 3. Okay, this is $5 each icon. So far I saved 50. And let's see how many icon. So 4. 1, 2, 3. So 20. Let's put 20 here and mark this and X this one. X, X. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. 1 again. Let's scratch off. And let's see. 6. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $10. $10. Next one. 6 again. It's Denise save. Yeah. So how many icon? 5. Whoa. 25. Still have? Yeah, 25. So I need 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25. Is it transferring there? Yeah, nearly. Next, how much we have left? $4. Hi. Let's see. Oh, maybe I can just put it in here. $4. Let me just put it in here. Okay. $4. I just color the number 1, which is a purple color. Purple. So 4 of it. 4. 1. This is dark purple. 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So our money is finished and we have saved 100 on this challenge, on this butterfly saving challenge. And so far we don't finish anything yet, but hopefully next week. So if we happen to finish this, thank you so much and give me a butterfly emoji. And thank you for staying with me and for your supporting on my channel. I hope you have a good day. That's it for now and see you lovelies later. Be humble and grateful. Bye. Thank you all. God bless. Bye bye.